Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Enlightenment, Part 2. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., July 8, 2021. Trials, sufferings and chaos bombard our illusionary reality every minute of our lives. Given those shadow forms lingering around, higher beings will hardly entertain living in the planet in physical form. But the Earth's experiment flows where we are frontliners, the volunteers at this plane of existence. Don't disdain, the truth is assistance come from all over the universe of light beings, ascended masters, and archangels. Source are all around assisting and supporting us provided we ask for it, as free will is part of the experiment. With intense light energies and spiritual guidance permeating our being, they connect through our senses, intuition, higher selves, and our heart, to prepare us for the incoming change and expansion coming to conclusion. Being illumined and enlightened play big roles in all our light work, as being the light is the consciousness of oneness. Enlightenment is directly related to change and expansion as they are results of illumination. Change is to a new person's emotional state, the atmosphere of a place, or the associations of an object, as communicated to, and felt by others, while expansion is the action of becoming larger or more extensive. Dictionary. Be enlightened. Volunteer's decision to incarnate on Earth and assist Earth and other humans is a noble purpose filled with unconditional love. You knew the pitfalls that are innate in the planet and you agreed to do it with forgetting and separation apart and condition of the incarnate experience difficult to outdo. That means everything is within you from the start at birth but for forgetting, to make realization fast, and part of experience. Downward spiral to lower vibration ends as you realize love is the answer. Words of wisdom, nature, sunrise and sunset, the flowers in bloom, bees and butterflies cluttering around seeping nectars, the ebb and flow of the seas, the whispering winds cluttering leaves in stillness, all provided us with feelings of unconditional love never before admired nor understood by humanity, bypassing romantic love, the ingredient to our path to oneness. Unconditional love is the key to all the challenges of life, and it is therefore appropriate that those awake and share their experiences to people grappling with life's troubles. Let us share our life's routine, lifetime experiences which can be life-saving for a majority of humanity. As you awake in the morning, express your gratitude to Source for everything, alive, breathing, for another day protected by light within. By your living example, a day will include the following activities: exercise, 45 minutes, brisk walking or jogging 4 times a week on a good pair of walking rubber shoes, done in a clean and safe environment, preferably open space with trees, at forested park area and in suburbs. Breath, do infinity breath, or a rhythm of deep breath of 6, 12, 12, 6 by 12 by 12, half second each, or 5 by 10 by 10 for inhale, pause, exhale, series of at least 30 counts, in the morning and before sleeping at night, twice a day at your convenience. Diet: go vegetarian, vegan, eat fruits and vegetables, filled with phytochemicals like saponins, tannins and flavonoids. Drink herbal tea from 1,000 plus years of humanity's practice, researched and documented herbs like neem, azeder, acta indica leaves or bark, banaba, lagerstremia speciose, tree leaves/branches, sambong, Blumea balsamifera, or Attis custard apple leaves, or a combination thereof instead of the colas and sugared drinks you take filled with caffeine and chemicals. Pharma-made herbs capsules in form for commercial use. Save the planet from methane gas, the result of animal consumption, cows belching coupled with settling polluted manure ponds. Avoid salt, refined sugar and oil, SSO, and go natural. Go for sweet potatoes boiled and avoid deep-fried potatoes. Substitute citrus fruits, vinegar, garlic, pepper, cinnamon. Medical doctors substitute for food flavor. SSO create diseases. Meditation: 30 or more minutes of daily meditation, going within yourself, as everything you want is within yourself. The universe frees you from old beliefs and programming that prepare us to enlightenment and transcendence. 6-pointed David Star, monks or yoga guru meditation. All work, your choice of meditation that will bring your mind to total silence and solitude. Heart, your powers emanate from the heart center and solar plexus chakras, the source of your self-esteem and transformation powers. Think from the heart. These are simple things that we can do that will definitely uplift our lives, transform us in short little ways to a higher plane of vibrational frequency. Embrace and accept the light, be illumined and enlightened in the process. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, Christ consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations, creating jobs, As faculty member and lecturer, share teachings at universities and colleges, boards and associations. Love teachings shared are from higher self and intuition. Link at aornedojr@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.